Here we are at the ice castles, you guys. I just started over again. We got like a ceremonial picture. So here we are on the 12th day of January 2025 with the Minnesota State Fair. It's our third one we went to a long time ago. Went one out in Excelsior, but I was gonna go with a mic, but it's kind of snowing outside, so a little windy when we get in there. But here we go, you guys. Minnesota State Fair. It's $24 each to get in, so kind of cool. We're gonna go out in Delano, so this will be up like February, I think, something like that. So kind of cool. So it's kind of nice. You can take photographs. So here we go. All right, here we are, you guys. Look at that. This last year's one was too warm. Pretty wild, huh? A lot of water. A lot of water, a lot of snow, I think. But if they do, they probably put snow and then they water over or something. I don't know.
Where do you want to go?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's like a serpent.
Yep. Oh my goodness. So it looks like they got food here in the whole yards. They got a slide. Kids can go down. Christmas tree. Look at these things. Oh my goodness.
Walter, you have to sit on your bottom. Well, you have to listen.
You're gonna have to.
Well, we gotta go. We're gonna get kicked out of here.
Get kicked out of here. Pretty hilarious.
He doesn't want to go down it.
Well, that's the way she goes. You're gonna have to. So you can see there and there playing. Oh, she's crying. No climbing on the ice. Don't mess with the magic.
So my question is, when you eat, you have to take this.
Wow. Oh gosh. So you can crawl into that bad boy. I don't think you can crawl there or not. I don't know. That'd be kind of a you getting there. I don't know. I don't think so.
Just gotta tuck and roll.
It's icy though; it hurts your knee.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not 10 years old, so you can go cruising in there. Around. But yeah, it's pretty wild. Oof, it's a nice igloo in here. It's warm. I mean, it's not too bad. Got good stuff over there. Yum yum. Yep. Yep.
It's our unicorn horn. Frozen unicorn.
Well, 4 to 6 weeks at Build It Ice Castle. Oh my goodness. 4 to 6 weeks. Oh my goodness.
Somebody's got time on their hands.
Yeah.
Standing on 6 feet of ice.
Yep. 6, really?
I think they're making that up.
Hearsay and lies. Oh my goodness. Imagine all this melts. This doesn't really get the whole thing. This doesn't really get the whole thing. I mean, it's yeah. Nice. Goodness.
Dressing personality is a thunderclap.
Yeah, you gotta move out of the way. I did.
Yeah, it goes around in here. Look at this.
Intrusive.
It's creepy, kind of.
Yep.
You know?
Yep. Kind of a cool one right there. All right, that's round 1.